Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to change password in Crunchyroll. So let's get started. To change password in your Crunchyroll account, what you can do is just open up your Crunchyroll application. After opening up your Crunchyroll application, now what you can do is just tap on this account icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. And by tapping on account, you will come up to this page where you can just tap on change password, which is the fifth option. So just tap on change password and then enter your current password. After entering your current password, you just have to enter your new password and then confirm that new password that you have just entered, and then tap on change password. So just enter the following details. So by entering all these details, now what you can do is just tap on change password. After tapping on change password, here you can see you have successfully changed your password. So that's it guys, this is how to change Crunchyroll account's password. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.